What it do, what it do. Alright people, I hope you're doing well out there by the way.
Today we're gonna unbox my brand new perfumes. See, Giorgio Armani.
So babe, are you happy about your gift?
Yeah, I'm quite happy, but please give me some time to unbox it.
So let's unbox it then. Let's do it then. Let's do it people. Let's go. Let's do it. Guys, before all that, make sure to drop one of these. Sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Share the video if it's useful to you. We love you all here and we love your support. Allez, let's do it. Let's do it people. Let's do it.
Right.
Oh wow, already. Yeah.
Wow. Already. So this is my parfum. You can see this is 50 ml.
Okay, let me just.
The size is 50 ml, but it's Eau De Parfum. It's not Eau De Toilette, so I feel.
Eau De Parfum.
Yeah, I feel quite happy with it, to be honest.
There you go.
Let me put this on the side.
Somebody been looked after.
Indeed. It's a bit tricky. This one is tiny.
Very tiny.
Mini, the bag version.
That's the clandestine perfume.
Yeah. This is 5 ml, I guess.
Okay.
This is 5 ml.
Alright.
This baby, let me put this baby here. And we got one more, which is. Let me get it up.
That's like a tester, yeah?
I think this is a lipstick, to be honest.
It's a lipstick.
Yeah. Let me just zoom on this. Let me read. Lip Maestro, so it's a lipstick, isn't it?
Fantastic.
Yeah, let's just open it now. Because you got the trademark here. Giorgio Armani, right?
There you have it.
Yeah, so it's quite authentic. And this is the.
Oh, that's right, yeah?
Yeah, it's quite thick and lovely. Let me have it. No perfumes in it. No perfumes. But let's focus on the
Main subject.
exactly. Okay, so now let's smell test this baby.
Go on, girl. Ooh, that lipstick gonna mess you up, isn't it?
A little bit. Wow.
Giorgio Armani.
I like this
lipstick.
head, it's quite heavy, you know? There's some quality in it.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
You know how I do you.
Isn't it? Let's have a little taste. Smell, taste. One more. It smells lovely, like quite, yeah, flowery.
Yeah?
Have a little smell.
Smell it. Yeah. It's not so aggressive, right?
Yeah. Oh, I'm really quite happy with this gift. So, yeah, thank you for that.
You're welcome, my lovely.
Yeah. Now, shall we do some comparison with some of my parts?
Yeah.
I've got a big collection here, as you can see.
Yep.
Yeah.
Why
Shall
not?
we go
Let's
for
go.
maybe Hugo Boss?
Yeah, Hugo Boss. Why not?
Okay, let me use another hand.
Alright.
Should be enough.
Been
I'll
very
shake.
generous on that.
Yes. Yeah, they're both different. I stick with my C.
Yeah, prefer the C?
C is better, yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah, prefer the C.
What we gonna do? That was a little spoiler. We're gonna be coming with more of the comparisons between the perfumes.
Absolutely.
Okay, so that was the I'm listening.
Let's go for J'adore.
Oh, you want to test the J'adore?
You can see all the parfums, huh? I have that expensive test, so you know.
You're right, baby.
Okay.
Oh, go ahead.
Just give it a little shake.
So tell us.
Awesome. They're quite similar. See, and
But I think this J'adore is
J'adore.
pretty much more accentuated than the C. The C is more muted. What do you think?
yeah, I agree with that. Yeah,
C is more muted.
yeah.
But which bottle do you like the most in terms of the
bottle?
style? The style.
Let me guess.
Honest answer. Honest answer.
Yeah,
You're not
you
gonna
have
guess
to be
that answer.
honest always.
So which one?
J'adore, to be honest.
Prefer the
J'adore is
J'adore
number
bottle
one.
style, yeah?
Yes.
Ooh, the styling is
No.
hot there.
Let's go for one more, shall we?
Alright, now let me pick this time the one that I would like you to compare with. The C, I would like the Gucci. Let's try the Gucci.
Gucci Blonde.
But F
Right.
Gucci, by the way.
You don't like Gucci?
Now Gucci been misbehaving
Because
lately.
this is 50 ml and it's Eau De Parfum as well.
Eau De Parfum?
Yeah, because I
Okay.
have that expensive taste, like I already said, so he's in trouble. Let's give it
I'm
a
not in
bit-
trouble because I already offer you half of this, half of the table.
I was quite generous, isn't it?
Very generous of you, girl.
Oh, this is like really flowery. Yeah, you can't compare it with C. Can you smell it? Like, let me just give it to you.
No, I can smell it
Yeah?
from far. I think, yeah, the G, the Gucci is kind of accentuated as well. As I said, you know, the C for me personally, the C is muted. It's not loud. These two
Yeah, J'adore.
and Gucci are pretty, you know, out there with it. This is more subdued.
Yeah.
You know, what do you think?
Yeah, so far this is these are my like number ones. Yeah, do you know what I mean?
All right,
These are my picks.
that's your pick.
But we will be doing more competition.
We will be doing
Yeah.
more comparisons.
So we have so many perfumes to show you and so many guides to give you. Also like affordable perfumes.
Yep, and the expensive
Yeah, the medium,
perfume for the big.
the medium and the expensive one. So yeah.
Okay, so on that note, guys, we're gonna thank you for watching. Shout out to you all out there. If it's your first time, make sure to sub to the channel. Make sure to drop one of these. Share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all here and we love your support. So I hope you enjoy this segment. What have you got to say to the subscribers?
If you wanna buy the C, yeah, I would advise you to. But like,
We're gonna
just
leave
like,
all the link right down below anyway
Exactly.
for them to.
But it's awesome. Like, I'm really happy with it.
You're
It's
happy?
quite awesome. Yeah, I'm happy with your pick. So, thank you, and thank you, Giorgio Armani. Right? Cheers.
Peace.